Hello everyone. In this video, we'll start with chapter 2, linear equations in one variable. Today, we'll be solving exercise 2.1 step by step. So first, let's know what is a linear equation. It is an equation with one variable like x or y and the highest power of the variable is 1. For example, 3x plus 2 is equals to 11 is a linear equation. If you graph it, you'll get a straight line. That's why it's called linear. Now let's understand what we are trying to do. The main goal in such questions is to find the value of the variable, like what number does x represent. We do that by moving numbers across the equal sign, simplifying step by step, and keeping the equation balanced. Now let's understand the important words. Here are some quick words you'll hear often. Variable. It means the unknown, like x or y. Constant. It is just a number, like 3, 4, or -2. Transpose. It means we move a number to the other side and its sign changes. For example, if there's a negative number in the left-hand side, when you bring it to the right-hand side, it becomes positive. And then finally, the solution is the final answer we get. Let's look at the steps we use to solve any linear equation. First, simplify both sides of the equation. Then, bring all variable terms to one side, move the constants to the other side, divide, multiply, to find the value of the variable. And finally, always check your answer to be sure. Let's start to solve the first question from exercise 2.1. 3x is equals to 2x plus 18. We have to always remember that we have to bring all the variables to one side and constants to the other. So 3x minus 2x is equals to 18. X is equals to 18. So this was a simple question. So let's move on to the next one. 5t minus 3 is equals to 3t minus 5. Here also, it's the same thing. Variables to one side and constants to the other. 5t minus 3t is equals to minus 5 plus 3. 2t is equals to minus 2. Here, we have to remember that we have to divide by 2 on both the sides and simplify. So 2t by 2 is equals to minus 2 by 2. So t will be equal to minus 1. Next, third question. 5x plus 9 is equals to 5 plus 3x. Here also same, variables to one side, constants to the other. 5x minus 3x is equal to 5 minus 9. 5x minus 3x is 2x, 5 minus 9 is minus 4. Here, we have to divide both sides by 2. So 2x by 2 is equal to minus 4 by 2. X is equals to minus 2. Now, fourth question. 4z plus 3 is equals to 6 plus 2x. 2z. Now 4z minus 2z is equals to 6 minus 3. 2z is equals to 3. Here we have to divide by 2 on both the sides. So z is equal to 3 by 2. Now let's move on to the fifth question. 2x minus 1 is equals to 14 minus x. 2x plus x is equal to 14 plus 1. 3x is equals to 15. Divide by 3 on both the sides. X is equals to 5. Sixth question. 8x plus 4 is equals to 3 into x minus 1 plus 7. Now here, we just have to multiply 3 with both x and minus 1. So 3x minus 3 plus 7. 8x plus 4 is equals to 3x plus 7 minus 3 is plus 4. Then 8x minus 3x is equals to 4 minus 4. 5x is equals to 0. X is equals to 0. Next, seventh question. X is equals to 4 by 5 into x plus 10. Here what we have to do is x is equals to 4 by 5x plus 4 by 5 into 10. 5 ones are 5 twos are. X is equals to 4 by 5x plus 4 into 2, 8. Now x minus 4 by 5x is equals to 8. By taking LCM of 1 and 5 is 5. So 5x minus 4x by 5 is equals to 8. X by 5 is equals to 8. X is equals to 8 into 5. X is equals to 40. Let's move on to the 8th question. 2x by 3 plus 1 is equals to 7x by 15 plus 3. Now, as we know, variables to one side, constants to the other. So 2x by 3 minus 7x by 15 is equals to 3 minus 1. Now, LCM of 3 and 15 is 15. So 10x minus 7x is equals to 2. 3x by 15 is equals to 2. X is equals to 2 into 5 and x is equals to 10. Ninth question. 2x plus 5 by 3 is equals to 26 by 3 minus x. So 2x plus x is equals to 26 by 3 minus 5 by 3. So 3x is equals to LCM of 3, 26 minus 5. 3x is equals to 21 by 3. 3 ones are 3 sevens are. 3x is equals to 7. X is equals to 7 by 3. Let's move to the 10th question now. 3m is equals to 5m minus 8 by 5. As we know, variables to one side, constants to the other. 8 by 5 is equals to 5m minus 3m. 8 by 5 is equals to 2m. Divide the whole equation by 2. 8 by 5 into 2 is equals to 2m by 2. 2 ones are 2 fours are. 4 by 5 is equals to m.